how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. So if you want to fix your Gmail not receiving verification code, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to tap and hold on to your Gmail and go with app info. Under your app info, you can go with storage, and here you can go with clear data or clear cache. Tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Once you cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that your Gmail is not down. If it's down, then it might have some issues. So you just need to simply wait for 12 hours or just a few hours, and after that your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix, then you need to again tap and hold on to your Gmail, go with your app info, make sure that your notifications are turned on. If your notifications are turned off, then you won't receive any verification code notifications. So make sure that are turned on, and you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.